Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 20th, 2021. AVAX crypto. Is there a massive pump coming soon for this particular market? Do you guys think that this cryptocurrency is going to pump soon? Let me know. Hit me up with a comment right now in the bottom section of this video in order to ensure that we are in position to win into the market. I'm going to give you all my thoughts, my ideas to where I'm looking for the price in Avalanche to go so that we can be prepared for wherever the market moves, whether it goes up, whether it moves up, pumps down. It really doesn't matter. We just want to make sure that we are positioned to where price is going to go so that we can win. So if you guys want to join me, hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Keep it locked in here to ensure we are dominating the cryptocurrency space. I mean, because the last time we did our video in Avalanche was right here. So you guys can literally tell as I'm zooming in on this chart was right here on October the 8th, 2021. We told you then to be prepared for the market in Avalanche to do what? Go down. And that is precisely what the market did. We were already in position on October the 8th to let the market go down on October the 12th. Simple, right? 4 days into our price prediction, the market in Avalanche came right to where we said it would go. $52 right there. So that gives us around 18.61% profitability into the market. The simplistic way. There's nothing complicated, nothing complex. You don't have to have 15 indicators on your chart just to figure out that the market was going to go down 18%. So let me get rid of this because we really want to try to answer that question. Are we going to see a massive pump soon into this market for Avalanche? I mean, that's a legitimate question because you've seen that this particular market over the last couple of weeks has been in a downtrend. Like the price has been going down. So you're not really going to get a massive pump out the market when price is dwindling, when the value is lessening every other trading day. That's not how you're going to get a pump. You're going to get a pump to where you're in an upward trend. You guys can see that Avalanche actually broke the trend recently, right? This is where this market was pumping right here during that August time frame. August the 17th is where the initial stage of the market move higher started. And of late, I would say the last 5 trading days, we've seen the price in Avalanche break that trend. So we have to keep in mind as to what's really going on in the space. The market in Avalanche has broken that ascending line. So we need to address that. What does that mean? Does it mean that the market's still going to go up? Does it mean that the market is going to go down? Are we expecting the price to continue to go up based off us seeing this market break this overall trend? Or maybe, just maybe, check this out. Maybe this is the trend that the market in Avalanche is trying to hit, right? Maybe this is the trend. What do you all think? And look how far away we are trading right now in the market in Avalanche against this overall trend. We are trending so far away from this overall trend because the majority of the trading action back in the July-August timeframe was all the way down here hugging this trend. And then that's when the market pumped. Mid-August is where the market started pumping in Avalanche. And now we're finally seeing some of that air let out the bubble. What do y'all think? Do you think that this is the trend? It's plausible. You know, there's no right or wrong answers. That could definitely be where the price is trying to hit into the market in Avalanche before we see the resumption back up to higher prices. I mean, it's plausible. It doesn't mean it's true though. So we need to address where is the trend? Where are we going to go? Because as I zoom out this chart, you guys can literally tell that we are still trending higher in price than what the majority of the price action is being listed on this chart. The price is still extremely high. Maybe you think the market may be overvalued and maybe we might need to let some of the air out the market so we can come back down to some realistic price ranges. Who knows? What do you all think? Look at this on the 3-day time frame. So my question to you is, are you expecting the market to go up or are you expecting it to go down? Because this last completed 3-day price bar kind of lets me know that there's still some weakness in the market in Avalanche. The general feel of this market is selling right now. Yeah, it is. So how low do you think the price is going to go? I mean, we already created where the market bounced off support and it's right here. Okay. $52. That is still holding the price. It doesn't seem as if it's ready to break $52 right now. As long as that's the case, as long as price holds $52, guess what? Price in Avalanche is going to continue to consolidate then. We're going to continue to see this market do this. This is exactly what the market is going to do. which is a very positive thing for us to see another massive pump though. We need to see that happen, because if we don't see the price do this, trade sideways to where we can eventually get the pump, then the next outcome will have to be for us to break $52 and continue to go down in price. Those are the two things that I'm looking forward to, so that when it happens, I won't be caught off guard. I won't be surprised, and you shouldn't either, because I'm speaking it to you right now as to what the market can do. So the best outcome for us right now, for us to see a massive pump, is for us to see this price consolidate and trade above $52. Now, let's see if we get the same type of idea on a different price chart though. Let's see if we get it on a 5-day. See that? This is the 5-day time frame. And so far, the market in Avalanche is definitely trying to show us that it wants to hold price above $52 on a 5-day time frame. Even though we did see a lot of selling come in the last 5 days. Check this out on the weekly. This is the weekly time frame. Look at what happened last week. It was a great war going on between the buyers and the sellers last week in this market for Avalanche. I mean, the market went up, it went down, and we were still able to close right into the middle of the spread of that weekly price bar. So it kind of lets us know it was a wash. So we'll have to go to the next prior completed weekly price bar, which is this one, to get the confirmation as to what the market really is going through, right? And it's still weakness. Even though the buyers came into the market last week, we still had to follow with the same premise that, well, the week before that, price was going down. So we still need to follow that premise until this current weekly price bar ends, because if we end on this current weekly price bar closing at the high of the bar, then that $52 is firm, and I will be looking for the market to go up. Okay, so we still got 4 days and 14 hours left before it ends though. So let's see what's going on in the 2-day time frame. Okay, because currently right now in the 2-day time frame, I'm liking what's going on into the market in Avalanche. This market is definitely exhibiting the fact that it wants to continue to hold $52 and go up in price. It's just that easy, just that simple. Now, I'm not going to be overly bullish. I'm not going to like get you all geared up and giddy for a massive pump. No, we need to allow the market to consolidate a little while long before we see a wider spread move higher. And we're not getting that yet, but we're definitely seeing indications that buyers into the market in Avalanche are coming into the market right now, right? We're seeing that. So now the question is, if you're looking for the market in Avalanche to go up, okay, cool. How high are you looking for the market to go then? Are you looking for $60 to be restriction, $64, or maybe around 62? So you got $60, $62, $64 is literally the spots to where I'm seeing the market in Avalanche get restriction and expecting the selling to increase, right? That is it. That's the location. So it's not like I'm massively bullish into this space right now in Avalanche. I'm not, but we can still capitalize and be in position and let the market move up higher in price. Okay, so I'm going to play the strength in the market in Avalanche. I'm not expecting a massive pump, not yet, not like what we went through during the August time frame, right? I'm not looking for nothing like that, but we can still look for the market to go up. So let's make the play. Okay, now the first area for us would be $60, right? We have to come into the market, be prepared to eat off this market in Avalanche around 60. That's only 4.59%. For some of you, that's not even playable. Like, that's not even worth you risking any of your resources on that play for 4.59%. Next area will be up here towards $62.70. That will be the second area for us to TP out the market. And then the third area ultimately is around 64. Okay, that's about it. $64. Now, I am seeing opportunity for the market in Avalanche to try to break 52 to the downside. And if that's the case, the next level would be 48. Okay. So now let me hit this back over on the daily time frame, because this is how we're going to play this market in Avalanche right now. Okay. So I want to make sure you all see what my expectations are in this space for Avalanche. I'm looking for the market to go up. I'm not going to be extremely bullish in this space right now. but I'm going to expect us to see some increases in price in the market in Avalanche over the next couple of days. Okay, so this is what I'm looking forward to. This is my price prediction, and what I'm actually looking forward to is this. Like I said earlier, I'm looking for the price to consolidate, right? The next couple of days, consolidate, and we're going to get more information to see how strong the market strength is, because if the market strength becomes real prevalent and obvious, then I'm definitely looking for the market to hit $64, may even go a little higher than that, right? But if I don't see that much strength coming into the market over the next 3 to 4 days, then that market's going to push back down to 52, right? Back down here to our horizontal support line, $51, and the increasing probability of us breaking it to the downside is there. So I'm just want to let you all know my expectations as to what I'm looking forward to in Avalanche. So this is it. I'm looking for the market to go up. I have given everyone 3 TP areas as to where I would TP out the market. First is 60, second is $62.70, and third is 64. All right, that's it. So now it is your turn. This is what we do here. We show you what our expectations are, and then we give you all the opportunity to tell me, what do you all think? Like, what is your price prediction right now in the market in Avalanche? Hit me up. Let me know, what are you expecting this market to do over the next 3 weeks? That's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.